Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enter Adobe Acrobat license key. All right, as you can see here, I have my Acrobat reader open. So what we're going to do to activate our key is just basically tap on your profile right here at the top right. Tap on it. And once you're in here, go ahead and go to Manage My Account. Click on Manage My Account and it will redirect you to this exact page, which is account.adobe.com. All right. Now, once you're in here, you're going to want to go to these tabs right here. All right. And you're going to want to click on the tab that says Plans and Payment. Click on it. Now in here, go ahead and go to Plans. And here, go to these tabs right here and select Products. All right. From here, you can just freely enter your serial number, which you can get by email, or it could be a physical serial number that you could see on a CD or wherever it is. All right. Just go ahead and enter your serial number right here. All right. Now, once done, just hit on register and it will automatically prompt you to close the website. And once you go back to Acrobat Reader again, your license will be up and running. And that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.